We've had a really nice winter season so far, but for those of you who love the winter weather, the snow, the wind, this is a forecast for you. We've got a first alert weather day for tomorrow. Snow, wind, low visibility, tough to poor travel conditions. And that could start by late tonight, actually. Here is a look at the current satellite and radar. We've got a cold front that is right now draped through central North Dakota down into parts of western South Dakota. And this is going to be a strong cold front that brings about a lot of changes here over the next really less than 12 hours. So here's a look at the hour by hour first alert forecast. By 10 o'clock this evening, we're going to start to see some precipitation. Could be a little bit of wintry mix where temperatures are still warm enough. Moving into eastern North Dakota. It's not going to accumulate right away, but it quickly becomes heavy. We're going to see moderate to heavy snowfall rates overnight tonight, lasting through the night. That's where you see these dark blues and the whites. That is heavy snowfall right through the Central Valley up into parts of northwestern Minnesota. So moderate to heavy snow. And notice here, I've turned on the wind chill through the overnight forecast as well, because we're going to see our high temperature for tomorrow at midnight with falling temperatures through the rest of the day. This is 6 a.m. tomorrow. Temperatures ranging from the single digits to the 20s. Notice the wind chill. Notice we've got some widespread moderate to heavy snow. So as you're getting ready to head out the door tomorrow morning, be sure to check the latest road conditions because travel is going to be difficult, if not impossible, in some areas. Why? We're going to have heavy snow, but we're also going to have very strong winds out of the north-northwest, 40 to 45 miles per hour, leading to very poor visibility, blowing and drifting snow, possible blizzard conditions, especially through the valley with that wind direction. This is by 9 a.m. so still seeing snow, mostly exiting eastern North Dakota, northern valley, but continues through much of northwestern Minnesota into the early afternoon tomorrow. Once snow exits, we'll still have issues with blowing and drifting. The evening commute not going to be great, but at least the snow will be out of here in time for the evening commute tomorrow. Now, how much snow are we talking? Definitely looks more bullish than what we were talking about last week. There's a band here. That's where you're talking about that heavy snow. We could see 5 to 7 inches in some of these purple areas. 2 to 5 in this darker blue. Fargo, I think we're right on the edge, right between about 2 to 4 inches of snow. Same thing in Grand Forks. We'll be having to watch that band if it shifts slightly to the north, slightly to the south. Keynotes here, moderate to heavy snowfall rates, very strong winds, possible blizzard conditions. Again with snow, 1 to 3 for many areas. Some areas as much as 7 will be possible. Impacts. We already talked about this, but blowing snow from the strong wind gusts, difficult travel conditions, especially for the morning commute, near zero visibility will be possible at times. We've got that winter storm watch, winter weather advisory, wind advisory. You probably see these pop up on your phone or crawl across the bottom of your TV screen today. As far as right now, we have broken a record in Fargo, 59. That record has stood since 1896. It has officially fallen here at the 4 o'clock hour. 61, 59 Moorhead, 55 in Grand Forks. So take advantage of what we've got right now with increasing clouds, already down to 28 in Langdon. That front has moved through. Temperatures are already falling. Meanwhile, 65 down in Sisseton. So here's a look at tomorrow in Fargo, starting off with heavy snow, temperatures falling through the day. We're going to remain windy. It's not going to be the best day if you have any travel plans. Breezy, chilly Wednesday, but then just a strong cold front on Thursday. Another chance for some wintry weather, possibly Sunday night and into Monday.
One good news is the really cold temperatures. We have a day to 2 tops of that, and we're back to the warmer temperatures than we've seen.
It's not like the snow's going to stick around for months.
I'd like to hear that.
Yeah.
Thanks.